Hello friends, good day to all of you and hope you're all doing very well. Today's recipe is anchovy fry. It's called Nethili Meen in Tamil. These are tiny little fish which are loaded with vitamin A, vitamin D, calcium and omega-3 fatty acids. They are usually fried with masala coated on them or tangy and spicy curries made with them called Nethili Kurambu. But today let us make the fried version and soon we shall also try the kurambu. So let's proceed to make the anchovy fry or Nethili Varuval. Here we have 500 grams of anchovies. I have cleaned them very well and drained out all the water. Now they are ready for marination. These are called Nethili Meen in Tamil. They are very popular in Tamil Nadu. Usually they are fried, deep fried. Now let's proceed to marinate them. For marination, take a large bowl and take 1 tablespoon of rice flour, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of Sambar powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of Garam Masala powder. Mix all these together. Now add 1 tablespoon of oil. Mix it with a spoon. Now add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of water and mix it all together to make a nice marination. Check the salt. Now dip in the anchovies. Give them a nice mix so that all the marination is coated very well on them. Now you might notice I did not add red chili powder in the ingredients because sambar powder is quite nice and spicy. If you wish to have more spicier fish, then you can add some red chili powder. Now this is done. We are going to set it aside at least for 1 hour. Cover it with a cling film. And we will refrigerate this until we are ready to fry. The more time you marinate them, the better they taste because all the masalas get absorbed by these fish. Just before frying, heat oil in a pan. Once it is hot, reduce the flame and drop the anchovies very carefully. We'll fry them in 2 batches. Now you can increase the flame. Time to time, you have to keep stirring them with the spatula, separating them and flipping the fish. This is very important so that they get fried evenly. And also the flame, keep adjusting between high and medium because we want to get a nice and crispy texture. These are very popular in South India. They are either fried this way or they also make kurambu with it, a spicy and tangy curry. Now these are done. They are nice and crispy. We can remove them in a plate. It takes about 6 or 7 minutes for each batch. Now repeat the same. Add the remaining fish and fry them like this. As I mentioned earlier, anchovies are a rich source of vitamin A and vitamin D, and also calcium and omega-3 fatty acids. Now the second batch also is done. They are best enjoyed when they are nice and hot. So friends, give it a try. Don't they look so tempting? Crispy, crunchy anchovies. The center bone also becomes chewable when these anchovies are fried to a nice crispy texture. They pair very well with dal chawal. They make a very nice accompaniment. This is our favorite combo. Looks delicious, isn't it? You can also enjoy them like a snack. The hot and crispy anchovies right from the pan. Squeeze a little bit of lemon juice on them. They taste divine. If you are a new visitor to the channel, do subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notifications about the new uploads. Here are some videos from the archives. Do check them out. We'll soon be back with another new recipe. Bye. Until then, have a nice day.